Well, here's the setup. We've got it cooking. I'm up to over 100 degrees C on the lid, so let's puff some smoke here. There's a puff at 5.5 volts. This is relatively low, and we're giving it a set pulse with some degrading, a large puff and then some degrading puff, so it slows down. So if we're coming out of the station, and you'll have this chuff sound in the cars, and I'm hoping to get some chain, coupler clanking and all that happy stuff, because it really makes it work. But as you get going, and you can feel the rhythm of the steamer starting to pick up, get a little more going, a little more going, a little more going out on the road. And I'm just hitting this as if I was a bump on the wheel rubbing. So I don't know how fast I'm going or anything, but I'm showing you how the system can adapt to the higher speeds and not run out of headroom or pulsing capability. It picks this up in microseconds. Every new pulse, it starts over and goes. I'm going faster than my finger can go now, and smoke is filling the basement lab here. And then we're back to coming into the station and getting ready to call it a day as I am here. Oh, there's a nice black background there, isn't there? Oh, look at that. Scream, hit the brakes, slow it down. Coming in. And that's it. Now, we have an idle, but the idle isn't wired in yet. So eventually, when there's a sense of the motor has stopped and we're not moving, it will automatically turn to the idle, and the idle will have a set speed as well. The purpose for that is to keep the system from overheating. It's 109 after all of that, and that's the lid temperature, so it's probably 120 or 130 underneath. But this is good material. It's real thick. It's going to handle it. But I am going to be, next step is going to be working on the temperature control to keep it below 100, and in between 95 and 100, just there. No matter what's going on with the fan and the speed, you stay between 95 and 100. You stay. And once we get to that, then I'll feel like I've got a real good adaptive closed-loop control system. Right now we got the puff on some adaptive techniques. Now we want to get the and the fan. Now we want to get the heater coil. Okay. Well, that was the week. It was a rough week off and on. We had doctor's appointments and all kinds of interruptions. You never can work anymore. It seems like you got to sneak in. But the last few days have been pretty good. Today was hot, 98, so we didn't want to go anywhere. I came down here. It's actually cool in the basement. And unless I'm thinking a lot, then it gets hot. Okay, well, I'll call it quits. Oh, I shut it off. All right. We'll keep you abreast, see what's going on next time, and call it in. Later, gang.